Welcome! Today, we explore how lighting and projection systems shape modern media art, and why responsible handling, maintenance, and end-of-life disposal of these technologies is essential. These tools bring creativity to life, but they also create environmental and logistical responsibilities that must be carefully managed. In media art, lighting is far more than illumination. It's an expressive instrument. Artists rely on advanced LED arrays, DMX-controlled fixtures, color-shifting systems, and reactive lighting to create immersive environments that move, pulse, and respond. Projection expands these possibilities even further. High-lumen projectors and mapping tools cast dynamic visuals onto galleries, sculptures, and architecture. These systems redefine the relationship between physical space and digital imagery. Together, lighting and projection devices perform as the paintbrush, the canvas, and the stage. Their coordination requires collaboration among artists, programmers, technicians, and lighting designers, because creative impact depends entirely on technical precision. These systems are built from high-value components: lenses, optics, LED engines, cooling systems, drivers, and microprocessors. But even with professional care, they face natural wear. Projector lamps degrade after thousands of hours. LEDs eventually lose brightness or shift in color. Outdoor installations face dust, moisture, and temperature swings that accelerate deterioration. Obsolescence often arrives before total failure. New resolutions, brighter engines, and more efficient LED systems push older hardware out of the artistic landscape. And when a core system fails, such as a projector engine or driver board, an entire installation may need reconfiguration. This creates a continuous cycle of upgrades, replacements, and ultimately e-waste. When media art components reach end of life, their disposal presents major environmental challenges. Projectors and LED systems contain aluminum housings, copper wiring, rare earth elements, and glass optics, all recyclable if properly processed. But hazardous materials are embedded throughout: lead solder, flame-retardant plastics, and older mercury-based lamps. If improperly discarded, these substances contaminate soil and water, releasing toxins into ecosystems. Lighting devices, lenses, and circuit boards require separation before recycling. Projection lamps must be handled through regulated waste channels. Without proper processing, valuable materials are lost, and environmental harm increases. Taking apart lighting and projection equipment is not simple. Internal optics, cooling fans, wiring, mounts, and power supplies must be removed safely by trained technicians. LED panels and lighting boards qualify as electronic waste and must be routed to licensed recyclers who can recover precious metals and ensure safe processing. Multi-projector setups require careful unmounting, especially when lenses or mirrors are involved. Improper disassembly risks breaking valuable components or contaminating recyclables with hazardous materials. To preserve reusable pieces and maximize material recovery, each unit must be dismantled systematically. Good maintenance not only improves performance, it reduces waste. Cleaning filters, adjusting lenses, recalibrating systems, and updating firmware all prolong the life of lighting and projection equipment. Upgrades can target specific components rather than replacing entire systems. Swapping projector lamps or LED drivers restores functionality at a lower environmental cost. Retrofitting older systems with efficient engines or updated control boards reduces the need for full replacement. Modular designs make all of this easier. When fixtures share universal parts and mounts, they become easier to repair, reuse, and sustainably maintain. Museums, galleries, and art institutions carry significant responsibility for the life cycle of their equipment. acquisition strategies must consider not only artistic needs, but also energy use, maintenance, and eventual disposal. Reuse is a powerful sustainability tool. Modular lighting and projection components can be repurposed across exhibitions, while salvageable parts support future installations or educational programs. Detailed documentation, such as installation diagrams and hardware lists, streamlines teardown and ensures recyclable components are properly identified. Curators also play a role by encouraging artists to incorporate sustainability into their creative process and by guiding procurement decisions that support long-term environmental goals. For safe and environmentally responsible disposal, partnering with licensed recyclers is essential. These professionals are trained to process mercury-containing lamps, mixed plastic casings, delicate optics, and electronic circuitry while preventing contamination. Licensed recyclers provide documentation such as certificates of destruction and detailed material recovery reports, critical for compliance and sustainability tracking. They also maximize the recovery of valuable metals while ensuring hazardous materials are neutralized. Working with them protects institutions from legal liabilities and reinforces responsible stewardship of artistic technology. Building sustainable media art begins with recognizing that equipment has a life cycle. Institutions benefit from early planning for end-of-life needs, reducing waste, and ensuring responsible transitions between exhibitions. Procurement choices matter. Selecting durable, repairable, and recyclable systems lowers environmental impact. Artists and technicians can choose modular, future-friendly designs that simplify reuse and recycling. A coordinated approach, integrating creativity with resource responsibility, ensures media art continues to inspire without creating unnecessary waste. Sustainability becomes part of the creative process, not an afterthought. If you're ready to ensure responsible disposal and recycling of lighting systems, projection equipment, and other media art technologies, our team is here to help. You can reach us by phone, email, or through our website for guidance, secure handling, and sustainable recycling solutions. Sustainable media art begins with responsible handling of the light and technology that bring creativity to life.